And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Wi-Fi faster so you can watch movies and stream on those platforms without all that annoying buffering. With this simple tip, you'll be able to improve your Wi-Fi signal, right? And you'll be able to watch smoothly, without any lag on your TV box. But before we get started, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really helps out the channel. And sharing is free too. Share it with your friends and let's try to hit our goal of 30,000 subscribers. So guys, a lot of times the Wi-Fi ends up lagging on your TV box because of a setting that wasn't configured properly, right? That's why your TV box keeps freezing up. Sometimes you're watching a movie on a streaming service or even using some other app, and the internet just keeps lagging. It could be that there's some kind of limitation, you know? There's a data limitation on your TV box that keeps it from reaching the maximum speed of your Wi-Fi, so you can't watch a movie smoothly. So first, what are you going to do to fix this problem, guys? You're going to go into settings, okay? Which would be settings. You're going to click right here, look on this option. Scroll down a little bit, and you'll find this option right here. Yeah, more settings. It's this option right here. Let's go in. Once you're in more settings, scroll down to about on your TV box. Just a reminder, this works for the MX9, MXQ 4K, Pro, and MXQ 5G as well. You can follow these steps and it'll work just fine for you. What are you going to do next here? You're going to click on About, like I mentioned, and then click right here. On build number, you'll tap it several times, and it'll show a message saying you're now a developer. Since I'm already a developer, it shows the message, no need, you are already a developer. So I don't need to activate it again. I'm going to go back to the previous screen here and show you right here. It will enable this option for you, developer options. You're going to click on it, right? And right after that, you're going to scroll down here. Let me zoom in a little more. You're going to go into this option here, logger buffer size. So here's the thing, guys, in this option here, you'll see several choices, right? There's 64K, which is the default setting. There's 256K, 1M, 4M, and 16M. You should set it to the highest one, guys. If you have a good Wi-Fi connection, you can set it to this 16M option here. If your Wi-Fi isn't that great, you can set it to somewhere between 1M and 4M. I'm going to select the last option, which is this one here, 16M. Since the router is really close by, right? And the internet is good here, I can set it to the maximum option. So you're going to click on this option, okay? And you'll set these parameters so your Wi-Fi works more smoothly, right? That way, you can watch your streaming, your movies, without too much buffering. So that's it, folks. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and I'll reply to everyone. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are having trouble or have a TV box, okay? On the final screen here, I'm leaving 2 videos for you. Click on one of them and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, see you next time, I'm out.